So what causes a knee to just give out? You know, patients come to me all the time and they say they weren't doing anything in particular, but the knee just gave way. The most common explanation for that is something we call quad release. You know, the quad is your thigh muscle, helps support the knee and obviously your leg when you're walking. What happens is your body, maybe on even a subconscious level, feels pain somewhere, maybe it's in your knee, and it actually turns off your quad muscle to prevent further pain and further injury. Now, it's supposed to be a protective mechanism, but if your leg gives way and you fall to the ground, it could also cause injury. Look, if your leg is giving way on a routine basis, probably need to get it checked out before you fall. Some of the common reasons that you have knee pain that causes the knee to give way, it could be a meniscus tear, it could be arthritis, or it could just be a random event.